my God. Neil, please don't jump.
I was just a piece of eye candy that she turned into an all-day sucker.
Mr. Tucker, thank God you're here. Someone's gonna do something. He's gonna fall.
I'm on it, Meg. Hey, have that cartoon sound effect guy cue up the... and then top it off with a... and if there's time before commercial, be ready with a... wah, 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 wah.
Oh, my God. You don't care about him at all, do you? All you care about are your stupid ratings. You're a horrible man. Neil, I'm sorry.
Meg? Uh-oh, there he goes.
Good stuff, good stuff, good stuff, good stuff, good stuff.
Meg, you do care.